What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another one. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe on this bad boy. Follow me on Instagram at Garry RR Wash for Garry. Wash for is the name. Sorry, I might have confused you guys. But anyways, yes, so here's a little workflow of me at my internship getting ready for the day. A little bit about what I do, a little bit about who I am. I'm based in Houston. I'm 20 years old. I'm a real estate entrepreneur. I've been doing all kinds of investments. Right now, I'm focused highly on Airbnb, which you're going to see me talk about here momentarily. But here is my little routine, me getting ready at the start and me getting ready to dip out. So let's stay tuned. Hope you guys have a great video. Enjoy this bad boy. You're all dope. Your dreams are worth it. You can make it happen. Trust me. Alrighty, let's do this. I want you guys to know as well that over the next few months, over the next course of this year with this channel, you're going to see a lot of growth. You're going to see a lot of the business growing, etc. You're going to see a lot of my struggles, and I'm going to talk to you guys a lot. So, my name is Garry Washington. I am a 20-year-old entrepreneur. I'm a real estate focused entrepreneur, serial entrepreneur, whatever you want to call me. Basically right now I'm an Airbnb host. I have 3 properties currently. I'm gonna be adding a lot more throughout the rest of this year, so you guys stay along for the journey. And in addition to that, right now I also have been doing other kinds of real estate investments for a while. I'm also working on building my fitness brand, lifestyle nutrition company, and a couple other things. So stick along, you guys will definitely enjoy it. This is me and my internship right now heading out. We're about to head out to Ikea with one of my business partners, so one of my business partners on Airbnb, we're about to head out to Ikea. Another guy you'll probably see, his name is Alex, he'll probably be recording some of it. He is a partner on another business, one of our other real estate investment businesses. I'll break that all down here in a different video, guys, but just be prepared, and I'll see you very, very soon. And I'll give you all the rundown, all that jazz. And yeah, so let's go to Ikea, baby. Look who it is. I'm sorry, my throat getting thirsty. So as you can see, we're at Ikea, about to get to work. I'll see y'all next clip. Alex.
Oh, what's going on? What's going on, brothers?
And Jason. Alrighty, guys, we're now in Ikea. Let's get it popping.
Oh boy.
This that one. No, this is me and that chair.
Looking at getting this. Ideas. You're good, bro. I'm putting this into YouTube. Yeah, something. Alright, so we just left Ikea. Honestly, it was so overwhelming. I can't even lie. But we have a good idea where we're gonna put everything that's in there. Hey, this is by my bus route. Anyways, we have an idea everything we're gonna put in there. We're gonna go ahead and hop on the app or the website, whatever. Get the order set up. Welcome to the darkness. And then place that order. We should be good to go by the 10th. And figure out all the logistics in terms of moving it from point A to point B. And get everything. We got some creative ideas we're gonna share with you guys when the time is right. Hopefully I'll live to see that day. Once that's done, I'll keep you guys updated. So next clip, I'll see you. So in typical Garry fashion, I am in the midst of being abducted from my house. Yes, you heard me right. Then 20-year-old entrepreneur, that's what we do. Got him to go chill out with some friends and have a good little time. Yeah. So this is Zach.
I hate you.
There you go, Lena. Alright. So we are here at the Chick of the Phil and the A.
Hey.
Bacon and cheese on the chicken sandwich.
All I can say is it's good. Shout out to Trevor Berg for it.
Yes, sir. Iceberg. Damn, look at my screen. Golly.
ChickfilA has bad light.
It really does. But I still look good. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Damn, we're really trying to...
supposed to look and smile, not just.
Let me show you guys what you're supposed to do with the cherry. Wait a second. Any of you guys want this cherry? There you go. Almost threw it away, and I thought of you. Sharing is caring. We're at ChickfilA. Got me a nice little Oreo cream milkshake and just put it on the table. Hey there, Lena. How are you? So this is the reason why I can't go to the draft. One night, I was out with a couple friends. We're sitting down at Chick-fil-A, and it just seemed like a normal experience, right? But to my surprise, I was sitting there, and there was something that I saw that just scarred me for the rest of my life. And to this day, it makes my mind just, anytime I, it just makes me, what know what this thing was called? Gang ring keys.
Sorry, so we were talking about it very, very casually. I must be thinking about it, and they could use it against us. Why would I state that?
What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another one. I'm sure you guys are deep in this video, and if you're sticking around right now, please, thank you so much. Continue to watch. Got some more golden nuggets for you at the end. I just want to take this moment as appreciation for everybody that's been supporting me on this channel, especially everybody supporting me on Instagram, everybody supporting me in real life, and I can't think of all the names, but some names that definitely come to mind besides, my parents, my sisters, Kennedy, Lauren, mom, dad, aunts, uncles, all those jazz. I want to say shout out to Lena, shout out to Zach, shout out to my man Dylan for always having my back. You guys are awesome, as well as my man James. We don't talk as much as we used to, but I still love you, my man. As well as, of course, my man Jason. We've been through a lot over this last 2 years trying to make this happen, and it's finally coming to fruition. I want to say thanks to my man Alex, who just dedicated his whole summer to be a part of Jason and I and our team and try to build something. And I promise you, I'll make you a millionaire, my man. I also want to say thank you to JQ and Core, because without these guys, we wouldn't be anywhere either. So I want to say shout out to the whole team there. Let's keep on building, guys. Shout out to my man Garry. Hope you're having a great one, man. Keep on doing what you do. Keep up that hustle, and I promise I'm gonna do my best to help you move forward as well. And I just want anybody out there watching this just to know that your dreams are possible. It's taken me 18 months just to get to this point, and I have 3 Airbnbs. And to me, it seems like nothing, but maybe to you, that's very much successful. I'm only 20, man, so there's much more to come. 2020, big blessings. Stay tuned for the rest of this video. Nuggets to be dropped. Love you too, Chamber. So, just wanted to make this section of video because you guys just saw a vlog, and I was just kind of like a chill day, really. Just a couple things I had to do. I had to set up, go through the store. We went to Ikea. We basically created a list of everything that we wanted to get. Basically set up each room in our heads for our Airbnbs. And then basically we had 2 bedrooms. It's gonna be going up in the Heights and in Houston. I want you guys to go ahead and go down there and check it out for me. If you guys do decide to stay, that would be great. And if not, oh well. But please share if anyone is gonna be staying in the area. And I'll also link all my other Airbnbs. Or actually, just basically what I'll do is I'll link an Airbnb. You guys can click the account, and then you guys can see the other stuff we have available. But nonetheless, I just want you guys to be encouraged. I was just talking to my man Zach. Shout out my man Zach. And pretty much we're in the car, we're kind of reflecting on like where we've been the last couple of years, and it really just hit me that it's kind of surreal, because this year is about to be a year of moves, and like I just can feel it in my spirit, man. Like in reality, I've been doing this entrepreneur stuff since I was about 6 years old. I got a little bit of success whenever I tried a business, it didn't work. Then I started selling stuff on eBay. So I started getting some money and got a little success, and I stopped doing that. Okay, so I was literally laying down in bed, and I realized I didn't finish this part because I was called in the middle of it. So sorry about all that. Basically, I'm gonna do this part with my eyes closed. So essentially, after that point, I started selling brownies and cookies and whatnot at school. So I seen some success with that. Then I started the whole real estate thing, and I didn't see anything physical type of reward or anything like that come back to me until really a few months ago. And, I gave the perception to a lot of people that, I had been doing such a thing, and that wasn't even perception I gave to them. That's what they saw, but internally I knew I wasn't there where I really wanted to be at. And so I felt like I was, putting up a facade, even though that was not the case. It was just assumptions being made about, what I was up to. But nonetheless, I've been on the grind, and now it's starting to finally pay off. I just want you guys to remember, like I was saying, me and my friend Zach, and this is like 3 hours after the last clip you just saw, but pretty much like me and my friend Zach, we were just talking, man, and just I just really realized like how far I've come in the last 2 years, and just realizing the constant growth, the constant pushing, the constant effort to just achieve more, do more, be more constantly is paying off bit by bit, day by day. And soon, this guy right here will be a millionaire. You know, I'll be a six-figure earner one day soon here. Definitely this year in 2020. Now, will I touch millions? That I do not know, and I will let God work on that one. But I will promise you this. I'm gonna work my tail off, and I'm gonna make it happen. And if you have a dream, if you have any single thing in your life that you want to see happen, that you want to make be your reality, make it happen. Make it your reality, because nobody else is gonna want it as bad as you do. That being said, I love you guys. Catch you next one. Hope you have a fantastic, marvelous, stupid, day. Deuces.